Hey there. Have you ever thought about earning money online by doing something as simple as copying and pasting links? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick with me for the next 10 minutes, and I'll show you exactly how you can earn up to $950 a day with this simple strategy that works with Google and YouTube links. Let's dive in. First, let's break this down. This method involves 3 simple steps. Finding high traffic YouTube videos. Grabbing affiliate links. Sharing those links to drive traffic and earn commissions. The best part? You don't need any special skills, no website, and you can get started today. If you've been looking for a way to make money online, this is it. Now, let's get started with step 1. Head over to YouTube. Look for videos in popular niches like fitness, technology, or personal finance. Why these niches? Because they're evergreen, people are always searching for content in these categories. Let's say we search for top 10 fitness gadgets. You'll notice these videos have millions of views. That's your gold mine. These videos already have an audience, so all we need to do is leverage their popularity to earn money. Once you've found a video, it's time to think about products related to it. For example, a video on fitness gadgets might mention smartwatches, resistance bands, or even fitness trackers. Keep those in mind because we'll use them in the next step. Now, before we move on, here's a quick pro tip: always target videos with high engagement, lots of views, likes, and comments. Why? Because these videos are more likely to bring traffic to your links. Next, let's move on to step 2, getting affiliate links. If you're new to affiliate marketing, here's how it works. You promote a product, and every time someone buys it through your special link, you earn a commission. It's that simple. To get started, you'll need to sign up for an affiliate program. There are plenty to choose from, but here are a few popular ones. Amazon Associates, great for beginners and has a massive product range. ClickBank, ideal for digital products with higher commissions. ShareSale, a mix of physical and digital products. For this example, let's use Amazon Associates. It's straightforward and perfect for beginners. Head to the Amazon Associates website and sign up. It only takes a few minutes. Once you're in, you can search for products related to the YouTube video you found earlier. Let's go back to our fitness gadgets example. Search for products like smartwatches or resistance bands. Once you find a product you want to promote, Amazon lets you generate a unique affiliate link for it. Just copy that link, and it's ready to use. Here's another pro tip: choose products with good reviews and ratings. Why? Because people are more likely to buy products that others recommend highly. And remember, the higher the price of the product, the higher your commission. Alright, now we have our affiliate links. Step 3 is all about promoting them to earn commissions. This is where the magic happens. You'll need to drive traffic to your links, and there are several ways to do this. Option 1. Social media. Platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are excellent for sharing links. Create a post or story about the product, and include your affiliate link. For example, you could say, check out this amazing smartwatch. It tracks your workouts, monitors your heart rate, and looks stylish. Grab yours here. Then paste your link. You can also join Facebook groups related to the niche you're promoting. If you're promoting fitness gadgets, join fitness or workout groups. Engage with the community and share your links where appropriate. Just make sure to add value to the conversation so you don't come across as spammy. Option 2. Blogging. If you enjoy writing, you can use free platforms like Medium or Blogger to create a simple blog post. Write about the top fitness gadgets or create a product review. For example, top 5 smartwatches for fitness enthusiasts could be a great article. Sprinkle your affiliate links throughout the post, and you're good to go. Option 3. Forums and Q&A sites. Reddit and Quora are goldmines for traffic. Search for questions related to your niche. If someone asks, what's the best smartwatch for running? You can reply with a helpful answer and include your affiliate link. Again, focus on providing value, don't just drop your link without context. Here's a bonus tip, use link shortening tools like Bitly to make your affiliate links look cleaner and more professional. A shorter link is more likely to get clicks. Now, let's talk about scaling this strategy. If you want to go from earning a few dollars to making $950 a day, here's what you need to do. First, track your performance. Most affiliate platforms, like Amazon Associates, have analytics tools that show you which links are getting the most clicks and conversions. Use this data to focus on the products that are performing well. Second, diversify your traffic sources. Don't rely on just one platform. Use a combination of social media, blogging, and forums to reach a wider audience. You can even create short videos on platforms like TikTok or Instagram Reels to promote your affiliate products. Videos are incredibly engaging and can drive a lot of traffic to your links. Third, consider building an email list. This might sound complicated, but it's not. Tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit make it easy to collect email addresses and send out weekly recommendations. For example, you could send an email titled Top 3 Fitness Gadgets You Need This Week and include your affiliate links. Email marketing is a powerful way to generate recurring income. Before we wrap up, here are a few final tips for success. Always disclose that you're using affiliate links. It's ethical, and it builds trust with your audience. Focus on quality over quantity. Promote products you believe in, and your audience will trust you. Stay consistent. The more you share your links, the higher your chances of earning commissions. And there you have it. A simple, 3-step process to earn up to $950 a day by copying and pasting Google and YouTube links. Remember, the key is to take action today. Start small, and with time, you'll see the results. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on money-making strategies like this. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.